Hi there, it's grammar time. Let's talk about the present perfect progressive, also called the present perfect continuous. Here's an example. Take a look. I have been studying. This means I started to study in the past and I have not finished studying yet. But what's the difference between I I have been studying and I am studying, the present continuous? Well, when we use this form, I have been studying, usually we use since or for to tell us when we started to study. Watch, for example, I have been studying since 3 p.m. This tells me that I started to study at 3 p.m. and I have not finished studying yet. I cannot say I am studying since 3 p.m. We can't. If I want to tell you when I started, I must use the present perfect continuous. Now, let's look at another example. I have been studying for 2 hours. This has the same meaning as the first sentence. The difference is how we calculate the time. When we use since, we always say exactly the time, the day, the month, or the year that we started. When we use for, we need to do some math. We need to calculate. So, for example, I have been studying since 3 p.m. I have been studying since Tuesday. I have been studying since January. I have been studying since 2021. For is a little different. I have been studying for 2 hours. I have been studying for 5 days. I have been studying for 7 weeks. I have been studying for 2 months. I have been studying for 7 years. So when we use since and for, we need to use the present perfect progressive or continuous. And we need to be careful. Since is the exact time we started. For, we do the math. Have a great day. Bye.